Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's not just relevant for the year 2025, but for every year of personal growth. How you can rebuild yourself in 2025. We all know that change is constant, and whether it's your career, your mindset, or your relationships, there's always room to evolve. But how can we truly rebuild ourselves for success in 2025 and beyond? In this video, I'm going to guide you through practical steps to transform yourself. So let's dive in. Understanding the need for rebuilding. Before we talk about how to rebuild, let's first understand why it's important. The world is changing fast. New technologies, new ways of thinking, and shifting social dynamics. You may have noticed this in your career, your health, or even in the way you relate to others. Rebuilding yourself isn't about starting from scratch, but about evolving. It's about adapting to the world around you while staying true to who you are. Whether you're looking to start a new career, improve your personal life, or simply become a better version of yourself, rebuilding is key to growth. The power of personal development in 2025. Personal development is going to be more crucial than ever in 2025. With the rise of AI, automation, and rapid tech advancements, having skills that adapt to this changing landscape will be critical. Think about it. What skills will set you apart in the future? This might mean learning new technologies, improving your emotional intelligence, or even mastering communication and leadership. Personal growth isn't just about career success, though. It's about becoming more adaptable, open-minded, and resilient. In 2025, the ability to learn and adapt will be one of your most valuable skills. Digital transformation, how technology shapes us. One of the major factors shaping the future is technology. Whether we like it or not, technology is here to stay, and it's changing the way we live and work. But here's the thing. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by technology, you need to harness it to your advantage. In 2025, I see a future where people use AI, automation, and digital tools to streamline their lives. You can use digital platforms to build your personal brand, learn new skills, and even collaborate with others across the globe. So, the question is, how are you going to incorporate technology into your growth? Start by identifying tools that can make your life easier, whether for learning, productivity, or even mental wellness. Health and wellness, the foundation of a strong rebuild. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of rebuilding, your health. No matter how many skills you acquire or how many goals you set, without good health, it's tough to achieve anything. In 2025, we're seeing a rise in mental health awareness, as well as physical health innovation. From fitness trackers to mindfulness apps, there's no excuse not to take care of your mind and body. So my advice, focus on daily habits that improve your well-being. Whether the 30-minute workout, proper nutrition, or even a 5-minute meditation session, consistency is key. Relationships and networking in 2025. Next up, relationships. Your personal network is more important than ever in the future. The connections you make can help open doors to new opportunities, whether it's in your career, personal growth, or even your happiness. In 2025, building genuine relationships will set you apart from others. Start nurturing those meaningful connections now. Don't just focus on what you can get, but on what you can give. Be a connector. Be empathetic and invest in people. It's all about creating a network of trust and mutual respect that will support you as you rebuild yourself. Setting goals, how to stay focused. Lastly, let's talk about goals. You can't rebuild yourself without a roadmap, and that means setting clear, actionable goals. Start by breaking your goals down into small, manageable tasks. Set goals for your health, career, relationships, and personal development. And remember, don't be afraid to adjust them as you go. Flexibility is key when you're trying to evolve. Write them down, track your progress, and celebrate small wins along the way. progress, not perfection, is what matters. Conclusion and call to action. So, as we wrap up this video, I want you to remember that rebuilding yourself isn't about changing who you are, but about becoming the best version of yourself for 2025 and beyond. The world is evolving, and you have the power to evolve with it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and transformation. I'd love to hear how you're planning to rebuild yourself in 2025. So leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey of growth starts today.